tayo ng scary game. Ito po yung lalarin natin. Po, scary game. Namatay pa ako. Susuntukin ka si kuya. Okay. Okay. Saan na ako? Okay. Dito na tayo. Nakakatakot po ito. Yung mga hindi na ito.
Number 8, if you guys would go to the vent, spam jump with the sign and you go to glitch area. What? Did you not know this? No! Yeah, come up to your pendant and the bottom of your
Agad po mga guys. Nakatakot po itong game. Na mayroon.
My animation does not want me to get up. Imagine. You have to go all the way around to get up. Yeah, basically, you just like spam jump and spam your side. I'm pretty sure. You just like go to here. I was like, oh. You don't have this time. Hey, pick. Zombies.
Tayong bababa tayo.
Jump and spam your side. And yeah, I just
Ito po ay nakakatakot. Tara na po ba yan? Yeah! Another round! Oh guys! Namatay po ako dito sa ulo na to. Nakakatakot po itong game na to. Kaya huwag niyong laruin. Hindi lang po. Nakakatakot to. Promise, nakakatakot to. Baka magka-nightmare po ako dito. Rin natin ulit. Baka namatay. Feeling lang tayo dito. Feeling like a building.
Papa,